Hello there guys, welcome back to another short online tutorial. It's Jack from Blue Sky Graphics here, and today we are based in Adobe XD. What I want to do is show you the two ways of how to create a gradient text effect within Adobe XD. Like I said, there are two ways to do it, and what I'm going to do is show you the two ways in the step-by-step process of how to apply them. Very easy, okay? Now, let's move our example up like that, just a little bit there. Let's get that out of the way, and we'll use that as motivational inspiration. And what I've done is I've duplicated the text earlier, just so I've got it all ready for us. Okay, now seeing as there are two ways to apply gradient text effect, I'm now going to just duplicate using the shortcut option on the Mac or Alt on Windows. So the first way of how to apply gradient to text. Now I'm going to have this one selected like so. And with it selected, I'm going to come to Object, and I have Path. And as you can see on the Path options here, we have Convert to Path. The shortcut is Command 8 on Mac or Control 8 on Windows. Fantastic. Now, what I'm going to do is come to my Properties panel on my right-hand side here, and I've got the Fill. And as you can see, I've got the word Solid Color with the arrow next to it. If I was to click that arrow, I now have Linear Gradient. I've got the color stops here that I can change and manipulate. As you can see, I'm picking the colors that I would like to implement. Let's go for sort of a nice bluey kind of color there. So, cool. What you can also do is manipulate the angle of the gradient by simply clicking and dragging these stops here. Like so, very, very easy. Okay. The second way of how to apply gradient. What I'm going to do now is create a nice shape over our word here. Fantastic. And with this shape, I'm going to sort of follow the same process. Come to a fill option, solid color, linear gradient. Let's build one. Let's go for sort of a newer, different type of gradient. Let's say. Very nice. Okay. Yeah, again, you can manipulate the angle of the gradient depending where you want to go with it. I'm a big fan of a diagonal gradient sometimes. Okay. Now, what I need to make sure is that my gradient is above my shape here. So I'm going to select my typography, right-click on it, and I'm going to bring that to the front. Fantastic. Let's line that up correct, like so. And then I'm going to select the both of them using my selection tool, and I'm going to come to my Pathfinder options up here, and what I'm going to do is use intersect. And there you go, guys. Let's line these up a little bit better. Our alignment tools, and that is how you apply gradient to type in Adobe XD. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, take a look at our website, blueskygraphics.co.uk. Also, take a look at our Instagram. There's some really cool work on there by our very talented students. Also, as well, there are weekly tutorials that are coming out, so take a look, and hopefully they really help, and you take them on board and they make your life easier within the graphic design world. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.